Now this might be a mistake that I'm calling you this late, but these dreams I have of you ain't real enough.
Started bringing up the past, how good things you love don't last, even though this isn't fair for both of us.
Ooh, maybe I'm just a fool.
I still belong with